Hi guys, it's me. I just decided to do a quick little tutorial for you. Your edmentum is going to look a little bit different than mine, obviously, because I'm instructor here, and you guys will probably be listed as students. But for an example, I just clicked under my course selection. I clicked under Research Biology Period 6, so I'm going to be using Period 6 as a quick example. What's really cool about this is that it tells me like when you guys are off pace or on pace or ahead of pace, or if something is locked. It also tells me like your current participation, maybe how long you spent on an assignment, which really does not matter to me as long as you're getting it done. And then I can give you grades, and I can give you direct feedback on stuff like discussion board posts or maybe a writing assignment or something like that. And I can also message you directly as well on this somehow. They probably send message, or I click on a specific student. Maybe I would want to message Kylie. I could click on Kylie, and I think it gives me the option to message her. So what you guys would find is curriculum. And that's where you'll be able to see all of your content. Now, this is hidden for you, the ecology, as is the end of the semester test, because we're not doing that yet. I don't want to overwhelm you guys. So you'll only see the evolution one. So there's a pre-test, so a little introductory test on evolution, 2 discussion board posts, which are pretty cool. It gives you a prompt, and you can just like write up an answer. I think you should be able to see other people's answers as well. And it'll tell you like how detailed to be. It'll tell you what questions it wants you to answer, that kind of thing. Then it begins like sections, so the process of evolution. Now the tutorials are going to be long, and what I want to say to you guys is just pace yourself. Some of it will be longer than others, but it all contains really good information. So I'll give you my recommendation with how to proceed through the course at the end. Anyway, so you have the tutorial, which is like the notes and all that good stuff, and then you have like the mastery test. Then there's an activity. So then you're done with this section. So you'd move on to the next section. Same thing, natural selection's our next section, tutorial, mastery test, activity. Same thing here, environmental impacts, tutorial, mastery test, activity. Then you have the post-test. So my recommendation for how to proceed with this would probably be to take your time through the tutorials. So, make sure you're grasping that information. I'm going to try over the next few days to post maybe additional resources for you guys on Google Classroom, because you should still be using Google Classroom. But take your time through the tutorial, through the notes. You could, maybe type up your own set of notes as well, or if it gives you an option, you could save it. Either way, whatever you guys want to do. The more you participate, the better it is, I believe, for fourth quarter as far as we know right now. I will let you guys know when we have more information on that. Also, email me if you have any questions. We already started edmentum in environmental science, which is obviously the other course that I teach. But some people were like, I'm having some trouble with this. And I was like, oh, just email me. I can talk to you about it. I can send you one of these recorded videos. I can find supplemental material, maybe to help explain a topic better. That way, before you get to the mastery test or before you get to the post-test, maybe you'll have a better explanation. Again, I will be able to keep track of how you guys are doing. And I guess overall big picture, pace yourself. It's a self-paced unit. There's no due dates for this. Technically, I'll make a calendar for you guys just to give you a rough outline if you want to use that as a self-pacing guide. If you don't, that's totally fine too. So, as always, email me if you guys have any questions. We're working through this together. I believe in us, and I miss you.